guys, welcome back to my channel. Amelia's here. You're gonna hear kids in the background because if you didn't know, we are in a shelter in place right now here in Washington, so the kids are home and I'm home all the time. It's fantastic. But there's gonna be lots of background noise because everyone's here. So I am filming an unboxing today. I have this Thredup box that just arrived. Because of this whole shutdown of the basically everything here, I can't go source for inventory. I had a credit on Thredup, so I thought I would go ahead and use it. I only had about $20, so what I ended up purchasing was another Denim mystery box, or it's their rescue box is what they call it, because I need more jeans in my inventory, and I've had pretty good luck with this box in the past. I think it's like 50-50. Half of the boxes I've got have been really good and half have been not so great, but I need the inventory and I had a credit. It only cost me a few dollars after my credit was applied. So yeah, let's go. Let's break in. I'm excited to see. I hope I got something good that I can actually list. I'm gonna go ahead and break this open, but while I do that, I want to talk to you guys. If you guys have not seen these rescue box unboxings before, basically Thredup sells anything that they've been trying to sell on their website that hasn't sold, or things that have been sent into them that they didn't want to list and the people didn't want it back, go in these boxes. So sometimes it's actually pretty decent stuff because they only list things on their site for like, I think 60 days, and if it doesn't sell, then they take it off. So sometimes it's decent stuff and sometimes it's not. If you guys are interested in trying these out for yourself, I will have a link down below. If you use my code, you do get a $10 credit. I get one too, so yeah, you can apply that credit to your purchase if you're interested. Okay, everything's folded nicely. So the first thing I see is a pair of Liverpool jeans. These are a size 12. I've seen these in the thrift store, but I've never actually thought to pick them up. But I've never actually looked up comps either, so I don't know if they're good or not. They don't feel like a really well-made jean. They're like more like a jegging kind of feeling, like they're really stretchy. So we'll find out, but they're actually in really great condition. I don't see any wear at all to the heel, nothing to the crotch area, which is usually the spots that get the most wear. So they're actually in great condition. So I will definitely be able to list those. I'm pretty much gonna list everything in this box because I need inventory, so unless it's damaged. This is a pair of AG jeans. I'm actually really excited about that, as long as they're in good condition. Again, it looks like the hem is good on these. They are distressed, but you can tell that the distressing is factory distressing, so that's supposed to be there. And they're small, I can tell that. These are called the Legging Ankle, and they're a size 27 regular. I wish these were my size. These are cute. I've been checking all the pockets because the last denim box I got from Thredup had $10 in the pockets, so now I'm like checking all the pockets. But these are, I can tell these are a newer AG. Let me show you the label. These are the newer labels, and I think these will actually sell really well. I'm excited about these. Okay, skinny jeans are on their way out, but they're still popular, so. These look like they're stained to me. Okay, this is a pair of Gap Always Skinny jeans in a size 28. I think they're a pink jean. I think there's a giant coffee stain on the back, which though I wouldn't have noticed it because it's kind of faint, but it was the way they had it folded, it was like right on top. So I'm gonna try cleaning these and see if I can get that out. I don't think you'll see it on camera because it's really faint. It's like honestly kind of hard to see that it's there, but it's really bright in here right now, and it was just folded just so I could actually see it. So anyway, I'm gonna try to clean those. If I can't, I won't be able to sell them, but they are cute. Okay, next up is a pair of black jeans, and these are the brand Celebrity Pink. I know this brand is sold at like Marshalls and stuff, and I don't know where else it's sold, but I know it's sold at those discount stores. These are like a pair of jeggings again and have that really good stretch to them, and they're size 9. So yeah, those are actually really cute. Okay, those don't sell for a lot though. I think I could probably list those around $15. 15 to 20, but I'll probably get around 15. Oh, here's a pair of kids jeans. These are the Levi's 711 skinny jean in a size 10 slim. So yeah, these are a pair of kids denim in a size 10 slim. These are almost Lexi's size, but not quite. So don't really like selling kids clothing. I do have some like kids clothing bundles on in my store, which are really just things that my children have outgrown that I put into like bundles to get rid of them, but they don't sell for very much. So okay, yeah, this is a pretty good brand. I'm actually excited to see these in here. I've never found these in the wild, but this is a pair of David Can jeans. I don't know how to say that. Here we go, size 31. It has the embellished pockets like that, the flat pockets that are embellished. They actually look like they're in fairly, oh no, okay, the bottom of them has some heel drag, pretty bad, so I will have to make a note of that. These look like they're a flare leg though, that's awesome. Well, I think they can still sell actually. I'll just have to mark them down a bit, but they have a really cool style, look at that. So it has like this twist to the leg where the hem like goes down the front. Hopefully you guys can see that. The hem like goes from the side and then rotates down the front of them, and they're flared. Those are super cute. I think even with that damage, I can probably sell these for around 30, maybe 35. We'll see. I have to look up comps. This is just pure guesses right now, guys. So don't take my word for any of these prices that I'm throwing out there. Okay, this is a denim jacket, as you can see, just like a basic dark wash denim. This brand I have not heard of, so I will have to look up comps after I film this video. It's called Sister Moon. Not heard of it before. This is a size large. It kind of looks like maybe it's a juniors brand, because this is pretty small for a large. So I'm not sure though. I'll look this up and find out. It looks cute. I mean, denim jackets are usually a pretty easy sell, so not too mad about this box so far. At least there's not like super damaged stuff in here. I've gotten some before that are like all damaged and nothing I could sell. That was pretty awful. Okay, so this is a pair of Eloquii. I don't know how to say this one either. This is a brand I actually pick up very frequently, usually in dresses and jackets. I've never picked up their jeans before, so that's exciting. This is a size 18. Oh, that's great. Oh, they're shorts. They're a pair of black denim shorts, and the length is interesting. It's kind of like a Bermuda short, which I feel like is pretty in right now, the longer shorts. Those shorty shorts are finally working their way out. So yeah, that's great. It has like this stretchy elastic band. They do look faded. Not too bad, but they are a little bit on the faded side. So again, I still think I can sell them. So far, nothing in here that I wouldn't at least try to sell. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so, sorry, I got excited. This is a pair of 7 for All Mankind. I don't pick this brand up very often anymore, only if it's very, very unique style and only if it's very, very cheap. But I'll take it. I still will definitely try to sell it. Okay, so this is a light pink pair of jeans. There's definitely some discoloration happening on here. I don't know if you'll see again on camera because it's very faint, but it's like this bluish color discoloration. I really don't know what it's from. And I see it down here as well. Maybe ink. Looks like it could be ink, like maybe a pen got in the washing machine with these jeans. Again, I will try to get it out because I'm pretty much desperate for inventory right now, so I will try to get it out. But they look like it's kind of all the way down the front of these as well. It looks like just a pair of skinny jeans. I don't know if it says the style on here. It doesn't, it just has a style number, but yeah, size 30 skinny jeans, light pink. They're cute, so hopefully I can clean those up. Okay, next up, we have a pair of Paige jeans. That's actually good as well. I'm happy with this so far. This is a size 26. This one does always have a style name. This is the Skyline Ankle Peg. I have sold this particular style before, and I believe I sold it for around 35, so that's probably what I would expect for these. Actually, maybe a little less for these because they look a little more worn. I'll show you guys the front. So these actually, you can tell that they are factory distressed, but they're also a little bit worn in. Not bad, not horribly bad, but you can see that they've been a little bit more worn than how it was originally meant to be. But they're still very cute and still a lot of life left in them, so great. Okay, next up, another pair of 7 for All Mankind. Again, it doesn't really have a style on these. These are size 27. I feel like these are the ones that I have sitting in my closet. I have like 5 pairs of these sitting in my closet. When I first started reselling, I was buying a bunch of these, and then I got some in some other Thredup boxes. So I've had a bunch of this boot cut basic 7 for All Mankind, and they're really hard to move, so I don't know. Maybe if I have the same size in my closet already, I might just do a lot and try to sell them that way. But I think I would be lucky to get 15 for this pair, but I'll still try it. Okay, next up, a pair of hydraulic shorts. These are white shorts. Hydraulic is a Juniors brand. This is called the Lola Curvy, and it's a size 11. They have very embellished rhinestones all over, like the pocket here, and then it has it on the pockets here. It's very bright in here, so the lighting is really good to check white. And I see, yes, there's a discoloration right here. It's kind of yellowish color, and that's about it. So it's not in bad, oh no, there's some darker discolorations up here, like dirt. That would probably come out. It's not in bad condition, but it's just, Hydraulic's not a brand I pick up. It's a hard sell. Okay, next up, American Eagle. I actually surprisingly do pick up American Eagle jeans, especially if I am at the bins or if it's the dollar sale day at my local thrift store. I will pick up American Eagle because it moves quickly. I think it's because people know their sizing. So they might find their like favorite pair of jeans in American Eagle, and then they look for that online. So these are the high-rise jegging. They're black, obviously, and they are in a size 4 regular. And they are in great condition, so I'm very happy with these. They actually look like they need washed. That looks like it'll come right out. It's just a little food stain. There's no puckering around the crotch area, so these are in great condition. I'm actually excited. I could probably sell these for around $20. That's usually what I get for those. Alrighty, next up, Papaya. Okay, so this is definitely a brand I probably won't even try to resell. I know I said I'd list everything, but this brand just doesn't have enough value to make it worth my time, and there's also some really bad puckering right here, so I'm not going to put in the effort to try to list these. And it's also like this is falling apart. So anyways, Papaya, it's a size 3, and they look like just a pair of dark wash skinny jeans, so those are probably not getting listed. 2 things left. There was a lot in this box. By the way, I got the smaller box. I don't think I mentioned that. There's 2 sizes for the jean box. I got the 15 pound box, which was on sale for 20. I think it's normally like 28. So, okay, so I don't know why they put this in there. These are not jeans. This is a pair of Sonoma flex wear. They're like a pair of men's work pants, and they're size 42-30. That is a good size. But I don't know why these are in here. Clearly they are not denim. So, okay. And last but not least, we have a pair of Cutoff shorts. Oh, okay, this is the brand Can, and these are size 31. I feel like this isn't Can like a boutique brand. I know I've seen it in boutiques before, but I don't know if that's exclusively where you find it. But these are pretty cute little short shorts. This would be great for festival season if we had a festival season this year. We will see if that's gonna happen or not. But yeah, they're just some short shorts, and they're very heavily distressed, and that's what they look like. Okay, that was everything in this box. I'm actually, like I said, I'm pretty pleased. Let's count up what we have. So I'm gonna count everything, including the items I'm not planning to sell. So we've got 1, 2, all right, 15 and 16. So there was a total of 16 pairs of jeans and other items in there. I think with the exception of, you know, I don't know about those work pants either. We'll see about those men's work khakis. But I think there's probably 1 or 2 things in here that I won't list. Maybe the kids jeans, and definitely the, I don't know, the hydraulic. Is that the ones I said I wouldn't list? I don't remember. Oh my gosh, fog brain big time, you guys. With all these kids home, I feel like I'm lucky if I can remember my name right now, or their names at least. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I guess that's it for us. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.